This is Paul Sanneman with Contractor Staffing Source. I'm talking to Lisa Rainey with Nelson Exterior. Can you tell me about what your company does and what you guys, how long you've been with them and how you work?
We are a full service exterior renovations company. We do siding, exterior paint, gutters, shutters, doors, windows, roofing, and decking, primarily replacement of all of those items. I have been here 6.5 years. I'm the office manager, and I also do HR for Nelson Exteriors.
Okay, great. And how long have you been working with Contractor Staffing Source and why did you change from who you were dealing with before?
We have been with Contractor Staffing Source for about 1 month. We made the change because this is a much more intimate setting. We get a lot more hands-on interaction with the people that are helping us and recruiting and doing a lot of the work for us, which is fantastic. So we really come in on the back end and are able to review the candidates and push them through appropriately.
Okay. And how many employees do you have?
Approximately 18, I believe.
Okay. And would you recommend Contractor Staffing Source to other companies in your industry and why?
Yes, absolutely. Again, for the personal touch, for the weekly meetings that I have with my representative who knows what's going on with us and is very up to date with where I am with the process of reviewing candidates. So, yes, I would definitely recommend Contractor Staffing Source.
Thank you for your feedback, Lisa. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.